going on, everybody? We're at a new motocross track today. This is like a private backyard track called Buckhorn Creek MX down in North Carolina. I've never been here before, so you guys are going to get an entertaining video of Gooner Derek trying to learn a new motocross track. It's always an exciting one. Yo, do not follow me yet. I'm riding hella sketchy. Oh, of course. Dude, I'm telling you, I'm gonna up these lines all day long in through here. Oh my god, dude. Jesus Christ, dude. Dude, I cannot do these corners to save my life. Damn it, dude. These sand tracks truly make me feel like a goon, dude. Dude, I like can't lean. My dirt bike, I suck at leaning. Like, how does anyone not slide? I don't get it. Dude, I'm gonna remember to get all the way up front here. Christ. Dude, this. I suck at these corners. I lean it over and I drop my elbow and it's just done. Get it, buddy. At this point, I'm just trying to I'm trying to do a full lap. I can't even do a full lap on this track. Come on, D-Rag, there you go. Slowly but surely we're getting it. Alright, we gotta try this outside because I keep messing up the other one. There we go. Faster, that jump kicks you. I gotta be careful. See, I can be confident enough to hit the jumps if I hit the corners okay. I gotta get my big ass legs out of the way. Hit that corner. No way. Jeez Louise, buddy. At least you sent it, and I'm glad you rolled out of that one. Some flow. Definitely think I like this outside better. Actually, I'm so glad that I'm actually just hitting some jumps finally. Whoa! Hold on! Hold on! Whoa! Your collarbone? Yeah. Are you sure? What do you want? Woo! Down. I don't know, I'm gonna drive home, man. Shit. Elise. He broke his collarbone, dude.
Yeah, another one. I got some, I can make some shit. I got enough stuff to make tied up some. Yeah, be nice. Yeah, get you some ice. I got some ice. I need to go sit down.
Here, let me take this. Do you need help walking?
Maybe, I don't know. I mean, I think I'm fine. Shit. Damn.
That's the other side of the same one?
It's this other side.
Damn, dude.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, buddy. All right, buddy.
I just need, like...
Make your way into the shade. Let's go get some water, all right?
Ow, 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 ow.
It hurts really bad.
How emotionally attached are you to that jersey?
Dude, this is the first jersey I've ever had. I don't care, honestly.
Because it might need to be cut off.
It needs to be ripped off.
You're going to have a hell of a time trying to take it off.
Hold on. Hold up. Is that it? Right there? Or is the shoulder just out?
No, it's perfect. Yeah.
So he's going to get a nice one of these on the other side now.
Yeah, look at this. Here, we can keep cutting.
Some of these sections I feel decent. Some I feel like I have no idea what I'm doing. God, I wanted to at least hit it one more time before I ended my day. I'm just feeling so sketchy that I don't know if I should be riding. Overall, the track feels good. I like it. Love the track a lot. I'm just not good at sand. things can go wrong in the sand so easy. Alright, we weren't here very long, but after B-Rad took that hit and broke his collarbone, we loaded him up, you know, got him on his way to the hospital. I just don't feel right riding anymore. I'm getting kind of sketchy. I'm gonna call it a day too. Ooh, that was smooth. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.